Okay, life cycle of bean. Okay, so first container started. First of all, spring container will start. Second, bean. Bean instantiated means object of beans will create in second step. Third, inject dependencies. After that, internal spring processing, and fifth, custom init method will execute, and after at the end of execution, custom destroy method will execute. So in whole life cycle, only two methods will execute in Spring at the time of execution of your program. First is init method, and second is a destroy method. So in whole life cycle, uh, we have not need to call these method because these are the callback function. Spring container call these methods. Okay, so we can create init method and destroy method, and we can also see it is working or not. Okay, so now we are going to create some example of life cycle of bean. Okay, how to execute init method and destroy method. So for this purpose, Maven project. Next, quick start. Spring bean proven. Finish. Spring bean. This is a project. Okay. This is a main class. App.java. Spring bean lifecycle. Okay, so now we are going to create a bean file. Here, suppose my bean name is demo. Click on finish. Suppose this is a empty bean. Okay, it have only two methods: public void set value. Okay, we cannot pass any argument if we are using for init method, we have not need to specify any parameter in set values. Okay, next, init method execution. Okay, same as suppose we want to use this try method, so we can okay this try method will execute. Okay, so this method will execute at the place of init method, and this method will execute at the place of this try method. Okay, so we are going to try to execute these methods. Okay, for this purpose we have requirement of a XML file, so we can copy from Spring Prover. Where is Spring Prover? Yes, we can copy this. This application.xml file. Okay, so first of all we can delete all bin declaration. Now we are going to create declare demo. So please click right mouse button, copy qualifier name. Okay, and definition b id is equal to info, class is equal to okay. So suppose in this bin have two methods. First is set value and second is del value, and we want to use set value as an init method and del value as a describe method. So we can here specify as a init method is equal to set value. Okay, same as we can declare describe method is equal to del value. Okay, so if we are using XML file, we can declare init method and describe method as an attribute. So here I have declared init method set values and describe method is equal to del value. We have not need to specify parentheses. Okay, directly we only declare the name of methods. After that, I'm going to try to execute this bean. So application context app is equal to sorry class path examine application context, and we can specify application.xml. Okay, but we have need of dependency of Spring framework, so we can copy from the net, or I have already a dependency of Spring MVC. You can copy this and paste in paste here. Okay, this app, now we can import this interface. Okay, after that we can use get beat and specify the id and demo dot class, and we can save in demo reference. Okay, here in demo we have two methods only, set value and del value, and set value used as a init method and del value work as a describe method, and both methods are callback method. So we have not need to call this method, it will automatically call by Spring container. So now I'm going to execute this. Okay, init method has executed. We are not calling here, you can see this. I'm only save the object of demo class in a reference of demo. Here we are not calling any methods. Okay, but you can see here it method, because init method and describe method both are callback function. So we have not need to call any method. It will execute implicitly. Second thing, here you can see here only init method has executed, but describe method did not. So if we will close this object, means context this, then con dot close, then describe method will execute. But here you can see this close is showing error, because the close method is not exist in application context, because application context is an interface. We can't use this. We can use only the override method. We cannot use close like method. Close is not exist in application context, because application context is the interface. So we have another class, name is abstract. Okay, we can use abstract, and you can see here you can open this class. This class implement configurable application context, and configure in application context we use in Spring Boot. Okay, it is also an interface like the application context. Okay, so abstract application context class implement configure application context. So we can use this class, abstract class. Okay, and this class have close method, so we can use contact close. After that we can execute this. You can see the try method. Okay, so if we could close the object of this class, so then try method will execute and delete all method that have created at the time of execution of Spring application. Okay, so it is very simple to execute. Okay, so we have multiple methods, multiple ways to see the execution of init method and describe method. That is the first way. To execute, it's very simple. We can create two method, and first method work as a init method and second as a describe method, and we can declare in application.xml like as an attribute. We can use this init method and describe method and declare the set value and describe del values. Okay.